Hello and welcome to 60 Seconds or Less. Today we will be going over how to add a new product to your website. First you want to be in your dashboard. Then to the left in your menu you want to press Products. Then underneath Products you want to press Add New. And it will bring you to this screen. In this screen you can add your product's name. And if you scroll down you can add the price of your product and a short description of your product. Then to the right, second from the bottom, you can select Set Product Image. I'll select the butterfly knife, Set Product Image, scroll back up and press Publish on the right side of your screen. Then if you wish to view your product on your website, at the very top it says Product Published and press the link next to that. This was 60 seconds or less.